first track ngo 2019.
Why hope na first track yakhe?
Bakhelwane. Obviously ngidana man, TV bamthathe umuntu.
TV
bakacula Moscow, bangayiza ama beach ka.
Nakusebe mokuyi vocalist.
Yeah, TV vocalist. Nangu ntangu ngizophila. Nangu maqala kathi.
Like kena na ona onqedile fela ka music production.
TV bakashaya icumu ka. Until sekuthi mina bengekho aware ukuthi TV Obvious.
That's what I think people paid with.
Like there's something.
Yes, go. I could see my people now. I'm going to speak to them about because now I'm traveling. Never feel out. And never big. Stay just obvious. We slow, please. Eventually, obvious. You should be receiving. You can't just say that's push out. So we start searching for one by that child. So who's the one? I'm buying the ngoma le uthi khala ngamabodo ngoba angika nami ngisafuna ukwakuze.
Ngithi
Pepe athini asivayiseva secount bepa yesterday ne postile video anga ready count ready count like afu ready count makena Instagram chola check ya mele insta awe bozi akonsa matala matala she kana usipili yamcho afeli busy sagena chola video bya simprint lochi oshili bisa
at least shakoke
yeah okay silabana yeah wachasha nabuma 8 no ekebo ma personage events otherwise jo ngakho spa right skathaba usizo thini wasabi so ngaso
Yo,
uzonlethe kasi nakulethe kasi
ewawa piano bitch
yo
can you give me piano la piano la
no such.
let us better ngejene haye
enjoy yeah the piano out chama tenzi wami
Hey guys, this is your one and only girl Dimpo Dibe aka Twin Dibe abangaziyo bangibiza ngodingi phuma kuphi eKasilabo Hlaba nabo Jesu fela ngihambe ngiyiwani ngihamba no
obvious but that's some shit Mr. Nchetemlati fela watsiba saskavo
data mshungisi. So guys, so data mshungisi tla ba re jotsa ka music journey ya hae go tadile jwang and all that. So please stay tuned and watch the episode. So, alright. Sharp voice.
Sharp.
One taba. Askan
Sharp. Akuthabi banyana.
Ngika one taba so.
athabi banyana
Yeah, okay. So guys, so re data o tla re jotsa hore data ke mang o tswa kae if o dumme a re jotse go dumme kang cause vele rona re bo Dimpho re dumme ka di podcast. That okay netawe
Obvious na that's some shunisi MC vocalist songwriter anso tsa proti obvious proti yourself data yeah see we feel what
like ke batla nna ke batla njwetse re o jwang pusha music o plo matsatsa like a re qalela like that's like into ne jwang like hule wa yona obvious never uzovela uthi hayi pusha music la kutsa va data like data ugeleze va ukhuleni kwakho data usitsheleke nge lathi nasuka zingakhona la ufelo bephephula khona kumagundwana Ngithola ngifuna sivele sicale lapho feel abantu ababhaya bacaba feel like we guest lephephula izile first guest lephephula izile ku podcast I understand yeah so ngifuna ukuthi sisikele kancane usifake stars ngamagundwani and then sobe siva grand singenelele kama piano madness ngoba ngiyangithola
Ngathi
people
yonke
I understand
investigations
obvious yeah ngintwana ekrende ulela nkasi yantshona ngoba dlala disc webay obvious isunal team ya disc ngoba so disc imali nje thitha music ihlakana litsona tsile ngoba yantshona ngoma high school so yeah I think icalile uma music junior ka high school webay obvious hlakana limacala classing nashaya uma di beats yantshona liteng lena naqala yantshona and obvious nane dal interest in music mara by that time obvious nesanzane leng iligco so bengekho la ngithola mina bengikhona sekasi felinye beshaya hip hop feli like bengine interest ukushaya hip hop ngithola
hayi ube wazela kuyifo
dropa di bar
akayena ngithola angizamanga hip hop feli bengibhala lento othile bengitshela ukuthi awubhala ama line so mabhala wenze so ngithola mara ngagcina sengihlangene nomuntu oshaya piano feli ngithola so hip hop nje ya
so which is nukuba lo kufaka epianweni ngoba ngiyabona ngathi sipiano seligazini manje
obvious iyathi uba music inkeleza na class webay intwana yakhe ize ukuthi nje like bese move kwethu ama class TNC ama chance feel amanye nje
yeah
so yibe batala production webay AM feel uyaza ne track eclassini ngitho yaza ne track webay yena bebashaya vocal nazo lentwana zakhe
sure
feel ngalizwa amtshela feel obvious nami ngifuna ukuzama something ngoma 2018
yo
before covid before corona
yeah 2018
before corona
ngiyangithola
yeah
and obvious angaya beat nje akafeel ngayo practice then ka practice but that time obvious ngidlala ball ngithola music inekisobe so azanka inkela hlo ngiyo ngithola
yeah
so bolo we could let's mara ke focus on music ngiyase batla bolo
apolo ka tlela bolo ka dlala
sazana uyidlala
kadlala selo rakusana nakho ngithola sana nakho bolo mara obvious kaya Jimmy if chance ki if like feel ka chance ko dlala bolo kaya
so wajima basically house like it banka ona tena tlametse go di trialing ho etsa in ka qualify
so like
oh
ka selo ke next pitch bolo imali pitch
obvious angithi culture yama artist siyazi ukuthi yazi ukubhema imbongi so fitness
studio session hawatsubi okipela wabona like so
fitness
uto balance jwang
obvious into ezokutshela yona lo ngabhema fanda ngithola manje disc obvious ngiyachima so yonke into yaphuma eventually ngithola
so if you want to say that way inikela ungayinikela
yeah kayinikela
then waba the next relevant mfuthi
ngimfaka
abana lana idlala data sile shabela nyana
awatawutshela awashobula ngiyo umuntu awutshela ayongeza mna
mara like no strike so how I go over 2018 uqadile mo talante o batla go tubela pit ke mo ikutlwe ke kae mo ikutlwe ntoro ya ke mnata o bona like o ga ba le motho o khothatsang a re like e shaye ntho ena una le something like you can make something out of nothing
obvious that's why ke shikela like boma 2018 ne not much it's feel because bankaile beat fela kalmamela le staff ka zama ngola bakazanka record the actual stuff icalile record like my first track boma 2019
why hope la first track ateke
yeah bakhelwana obvious niknale man TV wamthathe umroki
hayi
tsebe wakacula Moscow wangayenza ama beach ka
la kutsebe mo ku vocalist
yeah tsebe ku vocalist nangu ntangu ngizokutshela nangu maqala kathi fit
like ke nana ona on qedile fela ka music production
tsebe bakashaya icumka ngithola sekuthi mina bengekho aware ukuthi tsebe obvious usha music ngithola tsebe bakashaya icumka feel ngithola then sure la ngazi ku piano khambini feel ngoba besangeni piano by that time my first take ngashana feel
neli ya icumka
ya piano
neli ya piano
record ka phone manje Yeah.
So asisheshe nyana sishaya ama-shortcut singene kujoka like iwe minute wena khona wena ujoka minute iwani mina mangicabi ukuthi ifele kunodatha mshunqisi mingazi ukuthi kunamagundwane. I understand. So what happened between you and Joker? Because it seems like you have to distance nyana.
Like yeah, let's all get data and Joker. Or not like say the data machine, say the Joker.
Like yeah.
I'll get a brief out like what happened.
Yeah, nothing happened. Actually.
Okay.
Nothing happened. Maybe like intelligence aids in future and so.
Maranelisi too.
So
Azana separate.
That's something essential. Obvious, like joke each other. Like feel like I like doing your own. I wanna lead you like. Only we are not sensible. Share the hard work and stuff. We are pushing and stuff. We push that in. So next feel like I like in nights and letting you kill one. So we are training.
So what shall I
Yeah, one shot. Yeah, eventually my car then I got a ring.
Yeah.
Grand, you know, compare la trend. So you can take it. Nah, I feel like it's because we are relocating and you can't.
So okay, what I sent and really mama bunda ni honor the rumors to circulate time monane. Tahori we ke mang re smart lisa le zoom ba bifa le lona. That's the main reason ba le bantsha pina e ya bona ya basta o la ka magoto ka o la ka makundane se kwa tla o ntla re fela ke nnete ntshio.
That's why I think people paid with
like
actually
something.
Yes, go. I could see my people now. I'm speak now about because now I travel never fail until never big food. It's just obvious. We slow, we is please God. Eventually, obvious. You know, we see no. In terms of success, push out. So we start setting with one again. By that time, so who's the one about the ngoma le uthi khala ngamarodo noma makundwa angiqaphi nami ngisafuna ukubuza if
Gucci,
So because like I remember there was a point that it was like Kimam Pasta 99 and I like the videos or announcing I'll compliment him. Then after some time we were both up in a so that is why but talking about like both that's how the joke about Kima Kundani. So Pina A by the one in a district and then
it's got like this internet side TV.
Okay, but I wanna get at all the Amagundwan. When I was like Mutusat like that's how the joke had Amagundwan. So when I got it, then Hoso Lapin, House Lapina, obviously, no the December over time.
Maybe one animal spawn and sponsor on so I give sure I don't never learning about to record but I never know now or your Spanish at the end of the day, Pina one Spanish on sure know what you
so how Kimang Pasta 99 the time answer is a Ola chance or maybe we studio session in Lena or a little like
Pumanas. Next. Feel it social media, Crenshaw.
Or if it's social media.
Feel not react, during all that by that time, land check star. The sharks are poor. Yeah, land check stuff. Then come check stuff back then. Nothing happened. Then I continue a failure and let's check the stage stuff at the IG failure.
Okay. So, Kimang, Melo and Slazy Bona.
Yo.
Yes, you do research it.
Like a Copana Juan, Siklu Atola Lina Bell in a studio and a little pepino by yet a volunteer or website.
Or what was happening?
Yeah, between another minute.
Obvious, Oma, at 2022, at the best day of my life. 2022, I'm going to cheese, girl. Go. Obviously, 2022, ne push a concept there in the freestyle answer. So, when I very making cat peanuts about you, share the freestyle videos and so. And I take share the freestyle, I saw Lauring. kisha freestyle kapina yabo kana ki trick play le kawo le too short sport fit le owenza kanjani yeah awenza kanjani feel kasha freestyle la wantsa feel ban text feel antio babutsa hore Instagram feel because next up believe you as a thing khayila wena
tagumacala akho yakuyesa everything
like witness everything
yale fana ngavuka crane antio feel mina simuntu othanda ukushaya izinto zemashapini amakalina
yeah
mara na teng avuka ngespirit sokuthi yafeel ngiyacleana enza yonke into angishona feel bokudlalwa tournament la macronin or maybe go game nje bahlangana nenye outcome esekasi uMpepe angishona uMpepe athini asivayiseva se ground bepa yesterday ne ngipostile video feel anga ready ground office ready ground like afu the ground akena Instagram chola text ya melo instead awe boys akubonisa macala she wayiwetsala antshona akira on ka awetsala ke makhonte fela crane makhotmana otherwise I'm not then bathule for maybe 10 minutes ke fitel ground ko relax fele macala ring checka message maybe mfana wa shi waletse ba bua le yena go shwang antshona checka message there chola ring are you the one on the video antshona surely gonna never know
like mutu
posted antshona yeah feel ka have your skin now antshona ba ring let's operate let's operate I feel what's up my fantastic grounding no so ba ta change whether change ka ring uMpepe aska ka se re yontang antshona because how feel le grounding are yontang go relax ara whether a fitla yontang a feel ban text a vie ba gai kitse di number tsa WhatsApp text no yo na ke ka share wane ko ma 6 PM late so antshona feel di number ka kena Instagram uploma va ke kena WhatsApp uploma va obviously ka chola protia sound and stuff ba ring send a location ya
like it just
like it's
okay before continue and empty this like munjani like ama feelings
untalo kumele ngivaye naye flop uyokwenza ngalo kuthini feel abangi-text abathi ungazi nabantu ababhaya ngitshona
yeah
afile ngitshona yo ngiyabona maybe sleaze atona ka dintshela etsala no ka relocation ba okay the ball is on the way sure antshona and no ke ba kaile location ava ya ka ikase aka straight tsantse ke ka ra ke tle ka yi antshona feel ba ringa you can bring people mara don't bring more than 3 guys antshona feel 3 Enrica that day no problem man lemchov uvine yeah maybe not even my 5 so ka cover Mpepe feel because vile na ground all the day antshona le man le sport ne yeah le sport atla ka ikase feel antshona a change fast tshela makoka ashi tshele mo le di ka gae ntse ka re di ahlakana antshona ka se khutli fanda a feel makoko ya va eqa mara feel music
yeah
Bolti out Dimitri
yo
Angel
yeah
afele masifike mi-trend fele bathini bangamanye amanamba obviously mi-trend yazi mfixe cheese ngangeni nje bangamanye amanamba ngamele ngiwadayile egedini livuleke afile
Jesus
ka ngifika la afele ayehla isleaze angishona yo ayabona yo sleaze ki mfithi afile nama chance kahlala
system do you want
angishona afele sleaze sangena sithola vile obviously mi-trend bokuyilo chili ngiyatshaya lo chili mesahlupha ngithola
at least shakonke
okay silabana
Yeah.
washashaya ukuthi cheese ngikisa vaya thola file kuyilo chili asafika saploma ama-gents krenda file pipe yabapembi pipe ayisina shaya pipe asibhemi izolo obviously ama-gents ashaya izolo ngithola
yeah
sarelax ala so simedukise obviously eventually sifika abo ma7 so bona bebatshela ukuthi igesi izokuya ngabo ma8 ngitshona afile masiloko sirelaxile yo utswamile umuntu na kamereni
yo
talaka no ya ne
Yeah.
tshela isala iso Adintiola etsala no antiola feel melo ya show my chance on. Sa relax sa feel pipe me duke sibuya phela.
Yeah.
And manje siye kwinini ku Thursday ngana khona. Baba ama chance wana ama kick ayichu. Yeah. Phone le road manager intang I didn't see. Uyasibabachela ukuthi ngo11 kwamele nivaye. Eish ngo11. Enabuma 8 no 2 enhle kuboma past 9 to 10. 11 satsavaye jwanga kusospana. Hayi sikathaba usilizo thini ungasabi sova sonke. Akawushela ngalo.
Yo.
Uzonletekazi.
Ewawa.
Yo.
Viano page.
Yo.
Can you give me Viano laka? Viano la fika manje.
No sachin.
Let us better
Avere Viano shulu kuti amachansi wani kickva. Pitori nasejuice. Feli sathi Pitori saqale Pitori mfana ngiyachela ngikilisele that day amachansi.
Very important person.
Yeah, very important people. After Pitori, after choose, avara including aviasa. Tawu machensa tawu mfethu nchongo mongo tawu anchona. Ringa feel before kila ka record one track. Nchona ka record one track then abaya relaxing hlabona usim feel. I feel I rest down. And the following day feel I record another track feel. But I check that thing the record like I write that is such a no but master read by LS actually. Which I feel that Kaisha Lukisa if I'm spanning low. So after that I start to Lukisa. Sure. Yeah. After that obvious. The chat on Rahutas. I got feel like I give extra hood.
No mom cuckoo.
Yeah,
so the people that in Balaba the release or since Ibani Vault.
Since
Melo and Slazy.
Since
That's a hotel studio, no so are you recording like it's color or like why time it's the vault? Because like I want at the time, I want during that time, like in a happy really guys yo celebrate. Go I like let's try to have so born about someone company and
I'm obvious. Feel like maybe I'm like cannot go wrong, maybe. Let's not go everything. I'm not going.
So your relationship with DJ Father today I want line. DJ
I prefer feature DJ Father, because DJ Father like
yeah.
I saw on your page you are about to drop some seed.
I drop
that.
You drop
in Texas.
Midnight. I saw drop. So my carrying a mudo cafe. Yeah, see the mudo varying not too much, and then you spend the mudo. So when you never but mudo so it's hard to get man. And then you spend the mudo so. I understand that. So yeah, if we need to mara mina mfuna ucabanga relationship yenu ngoba nibena senze lipati bona boma like so mangoja bona ama piano madness parties ngokwa ama bass ngaritha ukujiva ngalezo inkhathi ukuthi after long jive lana bathi singa namtshana bona abe ngaritha. So what happened good relationship yenu no Mulo and ama piano madness?
Obvious, nothing happened ngathi manje ine drama and stuff. Screen, I'm text to cafe, young pendula, if you pendula, nami zompendula mangifuna ukumphendula.
Yeah, we know what is baga food. No,
screen.
So, don't party ama piano madness. Like I can't really group nyana. Sometimes about the event.
Yeah, man, I don't pay for stuff.
Oh, no, no, you fella for people.
Obvious, in the span is yes, piano madness, you can guys. Maybe never in guys, maybe Goma. Think I record label is such a no, maybe Shadi Party, a span, and take any movement until I can't see our keep a feature. Then what it is so, yeah, I'm sure. Each movement, if you Mara, sign on an X and stuff, I'm not people against again. That's why in Swazi, which you
yeah.
So no sanda no work relationship ya o or like textana what is what we go
obviously I'm fit you grand cafe you grand no hlakana
so okay ha re ntse re tsetaba tsa hlakana and what not so dipina tsa rona tse di dentseng kaofela why letsa dipina di vaults
ai tshotlochela yona ne ba taba le batho ba spanne le cafe akuna cheat cafe ka uthatha isikhathi ka keeping ngoma ka akafuni ka yabona ingoma lesiseshaya no yashisa and the crowd feel ihlanga ngetrack obvious ithi ba meeting by that time ngena knowledge mina no joke asingathi bese ngena knowledge ukuthi ingoma ziqoqwa kanjani research because besispanisa ngoma free website so I have this being akafika before Facebook need that's a file host because that's a file host so nina body phone and stuff still no so call akafu manje ngixeshela yona cafe mfethu nkana concert B
because like you got one of the only problem ekinalenyana ka wetsa dipina di vaults it's because like sound ya how ntso na hala go into ear like go ba le di changes and wa grow and like na hana if ever like like you blow up because anytime from now anything can happen I want get your jwalo so I wanna if ever like ke mang ba santse dipina ba tla o dintsha how so blowile up I never sound that isabali that because of sound is like about different that's the only problem with the vaults so guys go ba le tla dipina di vaults
obvious mfethu mara obvious dayenge ucine no joker kini yacine ngaphakama until until
because like dipina tla metsi
ka ingoma zithi ona ne re batla drop until from our side so ina na tile ya progress like active na batla di ntho tsa ka tsela kana kwa and stuff
because I don't know sushi ya khala
like that's the thing because like
ukutshela yona mfana uthatha isikhathi whereby sesagcina nathi squad emergency until samlanda feed no joke
because like ha ithabisi taba ya go like re ke re hona tle re shoot episode so re shoot episode bese se ha tlametse a ikgedize episode ho nkiwa nako e tlo qina se so so ke rantse go patisang ka guys re kopa le tele tsa dipina di vaults because it was also blowile up mo kona motho a batlang a tatazelang a batla go topa pina and the sound is as one so
I can take closer on feel like cafe nje
and like he's the best producers like us like I prefer him as like
it's one of the best
he's the one of the best
like best ma uyavala so like what if abantu abawazi bu best bakho like angeke ba recognize as such obviously besimhlanyela le 2020 2021 2019 lapha bathi emulo bana party like manje yabona
I can just touch it on a cheat on next if come text that cafe
I saw like I saw not beef not personal beef like that's let me say like in business is true ha le kopana ka business let me say le bua ntwe tsamayang go like so se re spana so pina e re tlo ile release jwang mixing and mastering the split sheet haebe se le fihle di ntwe tsa di split sheet because I never want to pina ya 2020 ka 2025 ha isa tshwana
no just to jela ona go ratile ya drop until
so ke bo man di artists le tso sebeditse le tsona mo ka tse di producers di artists as such di DJ di producers
kasi akafe obvious pana le ntsha ka mara costa pima kina no one GT KT come on view mo ngaka sona production le cafe le mood
ha produce
a pure DJ
and
ma feel I think Boma 6 approaches the exponential like gas feel
okay so serelo DJ Farano go tlele mo because it's fun was
I'm not DJ Farano sombona so obviously it's a good star yabona kune upcoming star like
I said
get the upcoming star like everyone like shout out to you Kiddy Potman like shout out to you Kiddy Potman a really great job good job and last time I checked like you were close with that girl you say you were in a relationship like we could say we were in a relationship with Kiddy Potman and now she's pushing like yo like
like this guy
so like what happened like And ngathi phela akasibuze ngabo what happened kuphela like
Yeah, yabo what happened?
like what happened
Obvious, bekugelwa.
oh you were in a relationship like wow
Like before wazocula nakhona na after feel. Obvious like lokudana le ngathi ngihlangana naye ni. Think if I'm not mistaken feel kuma 2021 sure. Nakwasenza ndiwa kasi onthola la time isatsikazisa.
yeah
Ngitsho yeah feel ngashana hayi. Sayisha feel angitshela ukuthi ufuna ukucula ngitsho.
yeah
Afike obvious naka nekisida obvious. Naki onkasikelo aka so eish. Tse ding next time ke lehlo ngwe pa tlo bua ka music ka. Ne batla focus ho rona feel. Ba khona intwana yami ya se Free State feel bengiphetse by that time. Ngamkama contact wakhe ukuthi obvious intwana. Nalino se batla ngubina so answer.
yeah
Zama maybe ka something feel. Angazi conversation awuphelele iphi kwenzakalani ngithiwa. Then ngabona feel sakashaya vele music feel. Ngabona khona le track yalishana umuntu la.
Amatariana
Lezinye intwana yeah something like
Yeah.
that. Ngabona feel ukuthi okay no sakayapusha feel. Asahlukana feel yeah. Isikhathi feel.
Like ya tribute from Pura. Konje li release ni
abashoni
2021 ne.
Yeah, 21.
Neli ka ipini e cause show.
Like closure something pina e plan again na re ka credit or stuff and so. Na ken na obvious ke redo ke that something essential.
okay
Ka tshela ntwana ka ntwana. Nona ashiya ingoma eso. Angithola for ama chance. Fili obvious nokuhlanya kampura mfitho hlanya ka key. Ka tshela mulo obvious. Or cafe ashiya bo ma tribute song for ama chance and stuff. Afeli cafe ya ring obvious so hlanganisa studio session. Obvious afika studio mfethu na artist tse ding ka. Angithola.
so na le bopuitsi
Yeah, na le point.
Bontipiano.
Na le fofodi.
for the artist
Fofodi bakacula ka.
me guy we should
Ah,
just
obvious. No, angisho akasethi.
beyacula
Yeah, bakacula boku MC nyana, yeah, mara bakacula feel.
No Masako.
Nomasako. Yeah, feel. Then khona le uthile man enye la ingomeni. Le uthile record singekho thi. I think. Cause obviously shayile track nabo gele. Yaba grand.
Asi odla vele ka siyabona mo.
Adulili kasi mthu. Atse ke Vinci wa twati.
Oh ke abona
Yeah.
tsela la hlaya mo.
Ya Vinci wa twati. We pa ka la le relationship le mulo ntho. So ka go tlile after rona se go tlile feel ya then era part ya.
So pina ke ya basically ke yona or ke mula cafe featuring or that time music and Joker featuring.
Ah feature mo pina le mpa na klatel feature so. Whether ke featuring whether ke mang re pa ya so focus in fit ka se be wona because of me ka featuring or then ke featuring. Ni dan less maybe review pina then ka bo obvious. Ngizo fola under mina. Nakhona uya ka mthol proper obvious. Because distribution ibalini na. When you pay distribution yakho ngitshona.
yeah
Funa litro uzothopa ngitshona. Best distribution yakho kumele ibeke wena phambili because bana agreement nawo ngitshona.
yeah
So kopa o ntlhalosetse go distribution se o tsa jwang.
okay
Oh yes, distribution tsa music di baya. Ngitshona. La le go D2 for the upcoming fair most don't you. You go D2 distro music distro key a music. Rap, obvious, rap, yeah, rap music, ngitshona. But battle obvious, destroy battle is like usana uma contract ya uma a year.
wow
They say uma a year battle 5 clip.
5 clip a year
Yeah.
wow
5 clip angwazi ukutropa for the whole year. Ngitshona. Unlimited. Whether ngatropa this month, drop exas and drop next week, drop any. Ngitshona. As long as yonke into yakho ekwamele submit ukuthi drop i-grade.
wow
Ngitshona.
yeah yeah 20 pay before ngiyajabula ukuthi ubuzele question because menginokhina no1 emalangeni feel umacala ngathi wanga drop athi yena ufuna ukuthi ngimaka drop anga drop like kube into yamahala nje
Yeah.
ufuna ukuthi kube at nanoma kuba ipondonyana at least angithola
So ngithatha ama distribution of khona ama distribution amahala obvious. Ngithola eventually sure ngeke nje bakulandelele and stuff. Fana nabo artists so
yeah
artists nga drop everything though. Ngidropa everything. Angitshela.
Bafuna ukudropa.
Yeah, namanje mfethu ngi-uploada manje mfethu bangika i-link mfethu
Drop the thread.
Angitshela.
Oh.
Yeah.
And how sa etsa like pele no etsa di-video ya kere like o etsa bo dipina tsa batho wa bona kere di-freestyle what like wa o sa di etse because like bona nkare le hona se di tla o dominate ha
What shy?
o etsa tsa dipina tsa hae
Nalo phezu kwendle. Kunenye ngibone ukuthi TikTok ijaya bishoba njalo. Nami ngiyayisema ngayithi ku-status se-WhatsApp se-WhatsApp. Le phezu kwendle.
ona le pina e ekibo ki TikTok bathi emhlabeni kumnandi kodwa sebethe kuwesela elelimameleka
Le mamela TikTok fela lisebenzisa sound ya. Mamela pina TikTok. Sound at least din
Okay.
obvious akere ba sentse ke le udimantshe rona tse ke
Ona go dimantshi o ke bel pina sanero ka bana tla go gale se.
Gale ke etsa gale ke
Bophelo bona wa twa.
bona how can you call us exclusive to use that sound how cause it is so what to what let go
Okay, that means today we go share video ka sanda.
yeah to shop us yeah there was to the exclusive performance
Se poki yo vela ona yi.
How can live you show? Yeah, so what's the relationship with DJ Fire? It seems like you are having a good relationship.
Tana ya mle.
Yeah.
Nakusasa ngiyakuye mfethu. Obvious ufanele umfana yo. Angakhiyela ngihlangane naye nini. Ipenki hlakana lena via macala. Journal macala akashawela mlepa ngithiyo.
Yeah.
Mlepa kunale ntwana yalikhaladi mfethu yakara yalusi. Intwana le obvious ufigo nayo ifuna ukushabisha music mfethu. Like maybe akaka record ma kancane music and stuff mfethu. Mlepa thini intwana yami asivayise eva se Eldos. Angitshela afele masifike eLdosi ufigo athina afele nami ngihlanga ngokusipana afele asiye kwenye intwana kanje iproducer ayiraya mina ngiphisa intwana zelimo mina ngiyabona afele ukuthi mfana yi akuhlangani afele aseso recorder cause ubuyasi mfethu ngeke sibaye distance sakuyele kasi then second meetup angihlakana lifiko aring entwana khona yenye ngiyiphethe no ayile yabe siku ngakutshela ngathi uphethe yini man athiyenye bathi DJ Fire la trickle la fana nelitumelele la funi so flat no and knife but yeah until la feel go to trickle ka on mas athina abavare ufana fika fana ona lengwe ya producer be yana until fika fana ka shaft strip abamolo mfethi from there feel ke tletsa ya fana kiliwana until figo la saliva until ke tletsa ya fana feel wathi waseqhayela obvious ayintwana yimi futhi until la feel sinini kyalifigo feel kyalifigo sinini kyakiliwana then obvious relationship yawo
na di release track le fana
not officially like maybe one la release ile double span feel obvious flop na next na distribution distribution na trop music and kikasu we not so distribution kikasu first trop music mon ali ki distribution kya wa khetha wa obvious we not trop na tsefi yeah so eventually also trop like anything official mara trop ça obvious
So khona kuspanisa sound ke ku TikTok ke sithi pushane kasi yazinase kasi ngathi asincaswana mina ngiunderstand yiye kasi ay kayi
like ba emetsi uphunyiwa uketa uphunyiwa how o fe ba tlo ha data wena o sa sheba o bona gore ya selifiki
mina ngiyobakhomela
ikala jalo
awaqhoma intwana ngithola ngaqhoma intwana
mangenzani manje pende now into engibhora ukuthi people ba assume ukuthi nginemali yabona la wamba khona seshanka ishumi inganalo ishumi la kanginalo straight ngithi anginalo manje sekiyikwali manje
senzakala lento le
so hayi
ukubani nemangapi
cheese
Jesse Q
checks that
like why was that well like azana like in a studio confela or maybe in a live Voltiland
obvious Jesse yathi wayithathi Jesse kushayile track lana lelingi no track la chos album la kabza mona lo chos asenza na dumo nje lele la khuluma imali khuluma imali kasha freestyle evile la khuluma imali Instagram I feel it blow me too. Hey, text him on like jeez. Oh.
Like yes 2022 yeah it was a best
Like,
year.
Yeah, like same month, I was sleeping hanging nabo mang 7.
Yeah.
7 August.
What's about the date?
Nakasidi ba lo. Thursday.
Yeah.
Then ngete 1 August. Na you statement ya Manchester connect sama sharp. Fun. Like so.
Okay, what's about the chemical engineering?
Hey, until ka text ke Jay-Z. Yeah. The guy man July ka. Hlakani bosilizi July not August. Then August kimo qala lo ngwa le Jay-Z. So Jay-Z obviously nana record label until Lino ke should play his brown.
Yeah.
Nana lo was 10 by that time. I was 10 Abo Justin 99. Until Jay-Z chini. When can you pull up Mozambique? Obviously we said to me Sunday Mozambique.
Yeah.
Feel ngathina anytime hot man until Fellow Jay-Z ukuthi mangangitexta vandag sukungena data. Texta ke ngibona kusasa.
Another thing, yeah.
Ngibona kusasa. Manje ngitexta usuka offline.
Like it.
Angiphendule late nami seng offline angithola like thatha isikhathi like kuze hlangana into ngithola. Feel yagcina thini nale ki manager okay. I think manager ntana ne manager machita la black. Man Tsepo Jay-Z athini I told Tsepo to text you. Until Tsepo I feel ya Tsepo ka akangithile man. Athi afile relax out text. Jay-Z post a story until I know Tsepo. I check out Tsepo feel.
Yeah.
Ngibona ukuthi yona umuntu okwamela ngitext mfitha ngidile yalo muntu lo. Until I feel again ka account ka Tsepo ngimtext. Sure man. Sure ntana so crème. Avia screenshot Jay-Z. Car. Yes, Mr. Jay-Z don't text obvious. Oh, I feel kwena I feel hlohla number za WhatsApp. Ngompe bese mkabe nginaye ngelela actually I feel it. Tsepo thini uba iring. I ka bona Tsepo na sa batho ntsa chelete rati ya bona uba twa yika ya ko ukika. Centurion. Yeah, uma Olivier ni Centurion side yeah.
Yo. So, bahlula fela jang.
Obvious car ya. Tsepo obviously that's everything. I sent a requested. We send a URL. Tarava ye choose upala me then get taxi. I'm Tsepo nika. I care for my car. Pri obvious after pri what MTN. After MTN but the text young Olivier. I feel Olivier now figure out I'm gonna to choose a garage. Feel I fit a garage. I'm text. That's sure man security. I feel that request. Cho karashi a se faire les. Qui ça rendu me 4 yi utla yi. Almond. Yeah. I request singa. Babona singa fuyi already. I request man figure da yes. Ithi nyangena da. Yo, hlakana le matshens entene nekutshona se dume mfana chai wa jodo. Hlakana tsona soka. Yo ke ntona se kitse ka ne ke batla ka. Until Zenten Pizza Royal Plaza. Royal bangatumi ka Royal kamina ngithathela na phansi ka sure that time ngibona kwintwana mara yena mfana deserve lento yemzela cause bakathe this time ngispend it out ukuya hlezi like ase studio most of the time feel my chance bangena feel inkinga la ka ngispanile feel mara yazi studio sibhaya ka nini ungena lo after 30 minutes nalo ufuna ukushaya ini angithola kahlaka ngamamvi mema percent. Yeah, mina percentaring entwana yi mafuna ukuspana kwamela uzikhulumele ungabloma studio the whole day lokubhekile until
Yeah.
nami ngiyabona ukuthi hey bashiwa ka bayishela vocal bekhethe tsanga sizabona say wu until yeah akuyabona feel atla busy feel ka recorder I'm just in a thing recorder I think about 2 tracks.
So, that's how I get involved.
Yeah, it's like it's there. Jay-Z na kim text as a killer and chelo ga obvious. Yo nala kiki orkan. So, yeah, aki yon tana kamera Tsepo ntshetse go fitlile la spana le machetse a fele. Spana. Later tsantse re vibe ga ska vibe. Until X ka vibe ta ba sa fele. Ona relax. tseba o thabetse go studio mona record e boleng ya cheese
Yeah, na
No,
di tshwere.
Antiola,
Plus,
Chingulong
like,
back
what's
then,
the
yeah.
tshwere, like,
Antiola, Chingulong back then. Then the following day, feeling Kabai. Antiola, Kabai, my chance of Jackass, yeah. Same thing as that thing women in skis, Kili, Kaspana. Hotel Kasi, then Zangabana Louis forward.
next time, how to like the opportunities or to live on my week. Basically, like, we post that city because the garage.
You must pull out, or maybe post
like session
Posting to
like
myself.
like sometimes employed I would like into my hands like I won't come to so like for the says like uyazi ukuthi abobana bazokujabulelana awuyigcwalisi indaba yakho abantu like uyenza izinto in silence and mawusobona ukuthi manje kwayenzakala babona sewuposta like bazomangala bona bacanga ukuthi like maybe ukhala uya namhlanje kanti kudalo.
Wow, okay, I vele like ngisithi abantu abamnyama sicabanga kanjalo. Kunento sisicabangayo besides the akithi God to say otherwise mina ngiyaposta. I send a text to make sure tipo goza. No, you poster no.
Like like conversational I never lasted 10 minutes because none about over it. I keep we happy.
Yes.
Like come on. So I want next time how it's and still Oscar step out poster cause like I want engagement with your fans. Get the fan. I want let's say about data on that because all to like after 2022 like for non-site like hola chule until my last year this year.
Maybe.
I'm not pushing like bona the kick ya or recent kick. Yeah, it was nice. Mo se poste ni na big dogs like it's those logos that hlangana. It's those logos that hlangana ngithatha.
Post I
So if it event outside never promoted it.
and then my one.
Last
And then
yeah, so asiyabonga tamshinisi ukuthi awube wafika yabona shisa nokushisa weda like so asithathi like ukuthi ufikile e-studio yini asukamaza kunene right ivathi kuphela appreciate right shisa sini
next time how about part 2
yeah
episode
yeah it will be part 2 yes abona yini phela episode ni ngibatla ibe 3 hours no so yeah so uNkulunkulu ngaba kubusisa nje yami like yavula indlela like into zakho nanoma ngomele ama tracks like unique ezistyle ukuthi lo mshunqisi nanoma like understand like so yeah may God bless you my brother. We love you.
And
keep on supporting you. So my viewers wethu ama subscribers bathi bangakuthola kanjani kuma socials?
Obviously Facebook datamshunisi.com, Instagram data_mshunisi, and TikTok IM_datamshunisi. Twitter
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love that.